See that woman right there? Looks like she's hit rock bottom. Well, that woman is me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation. Here it goes.
Mitochondria. It's a good name.
Retreat!
Never mind, run. Boo. Watching every motion in my foolish nervous gaze.
Yeah.
On the seventh ocean, finally love is no shame.
Now, what's a fine gal like you doing at a place like this, you hotsy totsy?
Well, I'm no Mrs. Grundy. Nights are meant for dancing. If you think this place doesn't meet the standards of a fine gal, what is it you're doing here?
I see. Well, may I buy you some giggle water? Maybe a martini?
Scotch on the rocks, more like. I don't indulge in such tasteless beverages.
Oh, you cheeky gal. Scotch on the rocks it is, coming right up.
Oh, James.
Cheers. Cheers. Would you fancy a dance?
I guess.
Let's go.
Left hand, here comes Charlie. Left hand, here comes Charlie. Left hand, here comes Charlie now. Left hand, join the party. Left hand, meet the party. Left hand, Charlie takes it out. Ginger ale and whiskey for this table. Grab a chair over there and let him sit right next to Mabel. Left hand, here comes Charlie. Left hand, good time, Charlie. Left hand, here comes Charlie now.
Just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has won, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
I, James, take you, Hester, to be my wife from this day forward. Better for worse, in sickness and health, until death do us part.
You may kiss the bride.
Darling! Darling! Darling!
What?
Darling!
What?
We're walking to the rocking horse.
Perhaps the nursery? I'm not sure. It's massive. Wherever it fits.
Okay.
be right. Seems as though our debts have doubled.
Well, what are we gonna do? You need to fix this because our furniture from Italy is arriving tomorrow and I must buy decor to match, otherwise it'll be so out of place.
I'll see what I can do, dear.
Well, get on it. I'm not raising my baby in a poorhouse.
Now, what can I get for you on this fine day, sir?
I'll have an almond bar, sir.
And for the missus?
I'll also have.
I'll have a Malabar.
And what on earth is a Malabar?
A Malabar? I ordered an almond bar. You sound a kite.
Hester, watch that mouth of yours, woman.
Hold your tongue, James, or I'll do it for you.
Sir, control your hormonal laugh, will ya? You're driving away business!
How dare you? I am a classy lady with more wealth than you could ever dream of. Do not disrespect me while you have a job with no required prowess of which my unborn child could do better.
Now you shut your trap up, Hester. We're leaving.
No!
Now what? Would you like to spew more insults first?
My water broke.
There was a woman who was beautiful, who started with all the advantages, yet she had no luck. She married for love, and the love turned to dust. She had naughty children, yet she felt they had them thrust upon her, and she could not love them.
Damn pickup truck got right in our video! That darn van is still in the darn video! Yeah.
Oh. He does. Whoa. Yeah.
Say it like you love me.
You need a boy? Me too. Looking at you guys. Boomers got you. Oh! Praise the Lord.
That's so gross.
Of course, on the top.
People in my house.
I know exactly, but we need to finish the seed first. We can take it to beef. God.
Oh my god. A Malabar? I ordered a Zounder.
I was gonna break.
Dare you! I am a wealthy lady with more wealth than you could ever dream of.
And that's all, folks.